Hello and welcome back to Grumpy's Kitchen and Provisions. I'm Grumpy again. So today we're going to do a bone-in, skin-on chicken thigh. Very basic. So I have my oven preheating to 350. I have a pan, so I'm using a cast iron skillet. If you don't have one, use whatever you have. But we're going to get our pan heating up. While we do this, maybe two to three tablespoons of olive oil because we want to get a nice sear on this chicken. I'm going to put that about a medium high. Now I'm going to I have 6 chicken thighs. So I'm going to do both Grumpy's Go-To and Grumpy's Etcetera. Uh, as I said before, Grumpy's Etcetera is a low sodium blend. So there is sea salt in there, but I want a little more. So I'm going to go ahead and season with Grumpy's Go-To first. Just season all sides, top and bottom. If you have some extra skin, I'm just going to cut off this extra skin. We don't need too much. Okay, so we're seasoned all sides with Go-To. Again, this is more salt forward, but not high sodium either. Now I'm going to go with Grumpy's Etcetera. So again, this is great for chicken, pork, soup, stews, sauces, because it's herb forward. So rosemary, thyme, and parsley. So now I'm going to go on with my Etcetera. Season the bottoms. Now we'll season the tops. Again, Grumpy's has it's all natural, no additives, no preservatives, no MSG, no seed oils, no unnecessary things, just herbs and spices. That's all that's in it, and sea salt. Okay, so we're going to get you a close-up here so you can see the herbs and the spices in the blend. Hopefully you can get a good look at it. So now our pan, we're starting to smoke a little bit. That's great. I'm going to do a close-up so you can see. Do a skosh more oil. Okay, now I'm going to go with the skin side down. So we're going to sear this side first. Then we're going to flip it over and we're going to put it in the oven, 350 oven, for about an hour. Look at that pan. Look at all those herbs and spices. We're going to go right on there. Now we're just going to give the chicken a flip. We're going to throw in 2 tablespoons of butter and give it one more sprinkle of the seasonings. All right. And then in the oven it goes, 350 for for about an hour. Welcome back. Here we go. Chicken just came out of the oven. I'm going to give you a close-up here, but it is, oh, listen to that skin. And obviously cooked. It's been in for an hour. Look how tender. The meat just pulling right out. So just a quick, easy. So that was an hour and 10 minutes of your life, and an hour of it is in the oven. You didn't have to worry about it. So another quick, easy dinner, lunch from Grumpy. Make it. Then you can have some leftovers. Pull the chicken, the skin, the chicken. Make some chicken salad of the leftovers with just a little bit of Grumpy's go-to, Grumpy's Etcetera. So again, let's put it up there so you can have a ganders. And you have all this sauce in the bottom, all the juice in the bottom. It's delicious. So there you go. Another quick, easy dinner that you made all on your onesie with just a few Grumpy seasonings. Until next time, I'm Grumpy and grateful for you to continue to follow, like, and share. Share, share, share. Have a great day.